Captain Samuel Bellamy, a built motorcycle named after one of the most famous and popular pirates, Samuel Bellamy, or Black Sam. The engine is Yamaha V-Star, and the body is performed from pure copper. The color that you see is actually patina. I'm a sculptor. I used to work with bronze and patina. So one day I just thought, why not to bring the art into motorcycle field, and let's make a motorcycle a real artwork. So this is a real patina, which I called actually breathing patina, because I didn't spray any clear cut over the whole body. I like watching the natural changes of copper. I was inspired by this historical figure of golden age of piracy because of Samuel Bellamy's personality, his genuinity, and democracy. Black Sam, or Samuel Bellamy, had good manners. He used to dress in fancy clothes. He didn't kill, and most of the time he returned captured ships if it didn't meet his purpose. Moreover, in a very short time he captured 53 ships and plundered 140 million worth of treasure, dividing it within his crew equally. And his crew members loved him very much and called him Robin Hood of the sea. Working on this project, I wanted to make some associations with the sea, gold, history, nobility. I also wanted to make some connection between audience and motorcycle, so I came up with the idea to stamp Samuel Bellamy's biography all over the body parts. I like watching people reading the motorcycle spirit and communicating. Captain Samuel Bellamy, 1639–1717, was an English sailor turned pirate. He was called the Prince of Pirates because he treated both his crew and his captives with fairness, kindness, and mercy. During the building process, I was enjoying the limitless freedom of this style. The handlebars are made from pipes. I wanted it to be as asymmetrical as possible. I designed the seat looking like a saddle, and I wanted to put some accent of history by airbrushing. So I have a lot of small details like telescope, compass, this kind of stuff. And also I made a key for the gas tank cap, so it locks the gas tank cap. I have a small pocket right here. I can put something, I don't know what, maybe a treasure. I also have this book, which looks like an old historical book, but it's for some notes. So I'm gonna give this to very special people, very special builders, legendary builders, and to know their opinion about this bike. So this is a notebook like this, a lot of pages. They are still blank because I had only just one show after finishing the build. Actually, the bike won a trophy in Chopperfest, and I'm so proud of myself. Yes. This is actually the first project I built from scratch. It was very fascinating to know deeper what is a motorcycle and how it works. I'm not a mechanic and I don't have any knowledge about engine, so it was pretty hard to put everything together and make it alive. All this stuff is a hard work of a few months going back and forward with some parts. Honestly, my first attempt to start engine failed. After a little brainstorm, I found the issue, fixed it. Tried again, and yay! Had success!
nervous. Let's see what's going on here.
It's not a secret, this is a male-dominated field, and as a woman builder, I get this question all the time. What is the most difficult part of building a motorcycle? Honestly, physical strength. You have to lift, you have to screw, unscrew, install some heavy parts, move the motorcycle during the work, and I don't have the muscles most male builders have. And what I do takes double, triple, even more time and effort to get this or that task done. But most importantly, I always find alternative ways to get it done. Remember what Archimedes said, give me a place to stand and lever enough and I'll move the world. So most of the time building a motorcycle is a brain exercise for me. Another perspective of this field as a female builder is proving that you actually can compete with those guys. Because, let's face it, nobody takes female builders seriously. So, more effort, more energy needed to get a project done on a particular level. And by saying particular level means you have to do better than most participants of the show and to do something really extraordinary and very special to get noticed.